Danielle Scout, your Pampered Chef consultant, and I'm here today to show you what I just got delivered in the mail yesterday. I'm so excited. So this is going to be my one and only first ever and last unboxing video. My husband loves unboxing videos on YouTube, and not gonna lie, I didn't get it. He made me watch a few. They are weirdly entertaining. I don't know why. So I was like, if I'm ever gonna do an unboxing video, it is going to be on this product right here. I wanted it so bad, and I'm so excited that I have it here in my house. It is not been opened, so I'm going to open it here today with you guys. But it is the Deluxe Electric Grill and Griddle. I'm very excited about this because this is going to replace like 4 or 5 pans that I have stored away in my kitchen right now, and it does so much, and I'm really excited about it. So you have to look at the box first. So here's the box. Overall appearance, 2 thumbs up. I don't know how to do this seriously. Really liked and appreciated that it had a handle so that I could move it over to this corner. Thought that was nice. The presentation of the box is great. It's a good sturdy box. I know this appliance is going to be safe inside. So let's get opening it. Okay. Oh, look. See? Oh, it's got everything it's great for. It's great for breakfast. It's great for lunch. It's great for dinner. Anytime. Pretty great, right? I don't think it gets better than that. All right. So we are opening up our Deluxe griddle. And first things first, we've got our little instruction manual. You definitely want to hang on to this, I'm assuming. Let's open this up. Okay. Oh, this is cool. So I've watched videos about this, but it's going to hook to your griddle so that you can check the temperatures of the meat without taking them off the pan or having to like stick yourself inside the oven. You know what I mean? So it actually attaches to the pan, and then it will show you on the, oh, sorry, husband, dial what the temperature of the meat is. So I actually was really excited about this feature. I'm going to be using this a lot, so I'm very excited. Okay, so definitely keep that. All right, here we go. So we've got our instruction manual and the cooking guide. You guys, look how cool! You can cook your burgers. You can do, paninis. I'm so excited. I make these pesto sandwiches for my kids like every day on the Pampered Chef grill pan, but I'm so excited to be able to do it on this. Like, I love it. Okay, let's keep going. All right, here we go. So here's the first plate. Oh, this is another really cool feature about this, is that the plates, okay, it's packaged good, guys. A+ for packaging. I mean, look how nice this is. So this is the first pan that's gonna come with it, and it's the griddle. So this replaces your griddle. So I already got rid of my husband loves to make French toast for everyone, and so I already got rid of his big bulky griddle that we keep in the top of our cabinets. I already got rid of it because it's right here. Okay. So it looks like here's the other half of the griddle. Ooh, you guys, very nice quality. Look at sparkles! Do you see the sparkle? I kind of love the sparkle. All right. You guys, it's really smooth. This is exciting. It feels like Christmas. I'm so happy. Okay, let's get rid of this. Okay, we're to the big part. Let's see how I can get this out. Oh, shoot. Definitely gonna botch this up, I know it. Okay, hang on. We're gonna tilt this.
Oh boy.
Is this not the best unboxing video you've ever watched? Oh my gosh. Let's try not to break it. Thank you, husband. Okay, we got it. We got it. Okay, and yes, there's nothing under there. Just box. We got the griddle. It's safe. Survived the fall. Okay, it's all packaged up really nice, you guys. A+ for packaging. Okay, ripping into it like a present. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited. You guys have no idea how bad I wanted this. All right. I like that it has the logo on the top, and it's not like a sticker. It's printed on there, so it won't pill. I love that. I love the Pampered Chef logo. Okay, it's got this. You guys, you're probably gonna make fun of me a lot in the comments. Just go right ahead. I have not watched like any instruction on how this works at all, so I am just like you at home trying to figure out how to work this amazing piece of machinery. I'm sure it opens somehow. Where? Oh, okay. I don't know. How does it open? Where's that instruction manual? Oh, there we go. Okay, I got it. Okay, first tip, how to open your grill. It has this little button that locks it so that you can't open it, which is good. And then look how easy when you know what you're doing. You just push the button and look. Ooh. Oh, guys, drip pan. Gets the grease. Okay, you guys, this is so cool. Look, there's your grill. So now you've got one piece of machine. This isn't a machine, a utensil. What is this? An electronic appliance. Appliance! That's the word. You've got one appliance that does it all. So we've got a grill. We've got the griddle. And hold that thought. Pause it.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back. I had to go get my waffle pans because I also got these. These are sold separately. But I love that the plates change in and out because now you've got one appliance that literally does it all. You've got your grill, you've got your waffle maker, and the griddle. I'm really excited about it. Think about all this space you're gonna be able to save in your kitchen with just this one appliance. And I love the plates. Look at it. Look at the quality of this. Like, this is strong. This is gonna hold up. And I can see the nonstick coat on it. It's got the little plug-ins. So I'm guessing they just like hook out, but I'm sure that's what the instruction manual's for, right? To teach us how to do all of this. So there's gonna be another video coming shortly after I've actually looked through the instruction manual on how to use it, okay? So I'm going to take out all the guesswork for you so you're not just sitting here pushing buttons like I'm doing right now, wondering what they do. So this is just the unveiling, just the unboxing, but so look at the product. I will go read the instruction manual and we'll do another how-to on how to actually cook and use this in your kitchen. Look, I mean, just look right now, zoom in on the quality of this. This is amazing. And when you think of the price for what you're getting, you're like getting 4 different appliances here. Like, that's amazing. Okay, the one other feature that I'm so excited about, which again, I don't know how to make it work because I haven't read it yet, is that it can fold up like this, or you can lay it flat and cook different things on each side. So we could be cooking like hamburgers right here, and then you could be cooking your vegetables up on the top part as it lays flat. There's gotta be a way. I swear it's probably easier than I'm making it, but. All right, so, oh, look how easy that was, you guys. Seriously, so easy. You guys, look, there is a button right here. You just push it and the plate pops right out. It does not get easier than that. I'm feeling even more excited about this product. And then you can just switch in the plates that you want to use. That is incredible. I thought it was going to be some like hard to change thing. Look at that. And that's without reading the instruction manual. I feel really excited about that. Okay, so anyway, this is the unboxing of the Pampered Chef Grill and Griddle. I was going to hold up the box again, but the box is clear over there like on Christmas morning. And stay tuned for the how-to on how to use this amazing product. Also, we are almost at 1,000 subscribers, which I'm really excited about. So please like and share this video, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel.